Hey tech fans! Today we're showing you the best TV wall mounts you can buy in 2026, from heavy-duty options to ultra-flexible swivel mounts. Whether you want a clean setup or adjustable viewing angles, we've got you covered. Starting at number 1. Mounting Dream Full Motion TV Wall Mount. The Mounting Dream MD2298 Full Motion TV Wall Mount is a heavy-duty and highly adjustable wall bracket designed for large TVs ranging from 42 to 90 inches, making it ideal for home theaters and living rooms. Built with 6 articulating arms and durable steel construction, it can safely support TVs up to 132 pounds while accommodating VISA patterns up to 600 by 400 millimeters. This full motion mount offers excellent flexibility with up to 45 degrees swivel, plus 5 degrees per minus 15 degrees tilt, and extension from approximately 2.6 inches to 18.3 inches, allowing you to achieve the perfect viewing angle and reduce glare for a comfortable experience. It is compatible with 16, 18, and 24-inch with stud spacing and supports easy installation with included hardware, while its sturdy design ensures long-term stability and safety for your TV. Number 2. Perlegear UL Listed Full Motion TV Wall Mount. The Perlegear UL Listed Full Motion TV Wall Mount, PGLF16, is a durable and versatile mounting solution designed for 42 to 90-inch TVs weighing up to 150 pounds. It comes pre-assembled for easy installation and features tool-free tilt adjustment, along with smooth swivel and extension capabilities for optimal viewing angles. Supporting a maximum VISA pattern of 600 by 400 millimeters, this mount is compatible with a wide range of TVs. It is engineered to fit multiple with stud spacings, 12, 16, 18, and 24, making it adaptable for different wall setups. With its sturdy construction and flexible motion design, it provides both stability and convenience for enhancing your home entertainment experience. Number 3. Perlegear Full Motion TV Wall Mount. The Perlegear Full Motion TV Wall Mount with Power Strip, PGLF11, is a practical and space-saving solution for mounting 42 to 90-inch TVs weighing up to 150 pounds. It comes pre-assembled for quick installation and features smooth swivel, tilt, and extension functions, allowing you to adjust your TV for the best viewing angle. With support for a maximum VISA pattern of 600 by 400 millimeters, it fits a wide range of TV models. Designed to accommodate 12, 16, and 24 with stud spacing, it offers flexible installation options. The built-in power strip adds extra convenience by helping manage cables and power multiple devices neatly, making it an excellent choice for a clean and organized home entertainment setup. Number 4. Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount, MD2380. The Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount, MD2380, is a reliable full-motion bracket designed for 32 to 65-inch televisions weighing up to 99 pounds. Featuring dual articulating arms, it allows smooth swivel, tilt, and extension, giving you flexible viewing angles for a more comfortable experience. The mount supports a maximum VISA pattern of 400 by 400 millimeters, making it compatible with many TV models. It is built to fit standard 16-inch with studs, ensuring secure installation and stability. With its sturdy construction and adjustable design, this wall mount is a great choice for optimizing space and enhancing your home entertainment setup. Number 5. SANUS Tilting TV Wall Mount. The SANUS Tilting TV Wall Mount is a sleek and reliable solution designed for 42 to 90 TVs, offering a universal fit for a wide range of models. With its low-profile design, it keeps your TV close to the wall for a clean, modern look, while still providing up to 12 degrees of tilt to reduce glare and improve viewing angles. The mount is built for easy DIY installation and comes with all necessary hardware, making setup straightforward even for beginners. Combining sturdy construction with simple adjustability, it's an excellent choice for creating a streamlined and comfortable home viewing experience. Thanks for watching. All product purchase links are in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more gear guides and tech reviews.